if this was you before, today I want to show you how to pack like a pro. I hate traveling with lots of bags because it is you have to carry those bags. You get sweaty, you get tired, and the worst thing that could happen is you could lose some of your stuff. So I make sure I pack just what I need. I'm going to show you how I do it. I go through the whole sequence of the journey. I tell myself, okay, I'm traveling. What do I need? I need a passport. I take my passport, I put it on the bed. Ticket, put it on the bed. And remember, you need currency for where you're going. If you're going to the UK, you need to change some money into pounds. If you're going to Tanzania, you need Tanzanian shillings. Just move at least with maybe $20 or up to $50 worth of the country's currency. So you make sure changed money is there. Then I ask myself, okay, how am I going to travel? When I travel, be by plane or by bus, you don't need a buckle, of a belt digging into you for 8 hours. So it means you need to travel with clothes that are stretchy, tights. I prefer tights and I prefer loose tops. So this will serve also for the journey, and also when I get there, if it's a bit chilly in the night and I'm at home, I can put this on. Okay, that's the travel. And I like traveling in tackies. They're comfortable, they're warm, they're light. No high-heeled shoes for me. Tackies. Then, if maybe it's a workshop or we're going for a site visit, let's say 1 week. Then I'll ask myself, okay, 1 week. It means I might need 3 pairs of trousers. Jeans. You can never go wrong with jeans. I take a pair of jeans. This is also casual and you can also dress it up, just in case you might need to dress it up. I also take, you can't go wrong with cargo pants. Those are my 2 pairs of trousers. And then I also take formal trousers. You never know, maybe you might be asked to go for some meeting to represent your company or meet some important people. So you need at least 1 casual pair of trousers. Tops. For tops, I don't take any cotton tops. I take these crease-proof tops. You can pack it and then voila, it's still looking good. I can wear it. I don't need to iron. So these are the type of tops I pack. Crease-proof ones. Roll it up, stretch it up. You can still wear and still look good. There's nothing like appearing as if you've been just vomited by a cow. Your self-confidence is low, and I'm telling you, nothing good will come out of that trip. So these are the type of tops I pack. Now, you never know. Maybe after the workshop or after the site visit, there could be, even if they don't say, maybe a night where you have dinner, farewell, or something like that. So don't forget to pack the little nice dress. Depends what you like. Or you can pack this one. For shoes, because of dinner, don't forget to pack at least a pair of some high-heeled shoes. Yes, engineers also wear this type of shoes. And on your site visits or stroll into town, pumps will do the trick. Okay, the day is done. I'm in the house after work. What do? I need a gown to relax in. I don't forget my gown. Put it there. And then, you never know, on those maybe chilly nights, not much of the cold, but something, you feel a bit uncomfortable, then you pack a light cardigan. And don't forget the jacket. One jacket will do, girls, one jacket. A jacket which you can wear if you want to go on site, and a jacket which you can wear for dinner, you know, multi-purpose. You can wear both ways. I take the jacket. And then the hat. Don't forget the hat. You need this. Either on site or on your site visits, you need this one. You need your socks or your tackies, and you need a light. For me, I use sunscreen for the face. Yes, you need sunscreen, and the sunscreen for the body. You need this. I don't forget my shades. And in 2020, COVID-19, don't forget your mask. Nice mask to match whatever you'll be putting on. And sanitizer. Don't forget the sanitizer. Once everything is on the bed, then I'm good to go to start packing. My whole trip is now on the bed. Now, this is how I pack. For the shoes, just to make sure the shoes don't damage my clothes, there's some shoe bags which are available. If you don't have these shoe bags, then you can get these bags that you get from shopping. This will also work, where you can put your shoes. So also to avoid the shoes being damaged, you can put socks. Still packing, remember? You can put your socks inside the shoes. It also helps the shoes not being squashed as you pack. You put your socks in there. Where's my bag? Okay. Put my shoes in the bag. Then, when I'm packing, usually the shoes, I like putting them around the corners of the bag. So, I put my shoes there. The tackies, remember, I'm not packing because I'm going to wear. So at least that's one piece of luggage down. The pumps, no, these are okay. These are quite flexible. I can just put them in a bag. Okay. Place them there. Okay. Now these small items, you know, the remaining socks, my mask, my light. On your bag, you'll find there's this zipper compartment. So that's where you put all these small items because you need to access them very quickly. So you just put everything in there and slip it all out. Okay? Then, how to pack. Don't just throw everything in the bag. It won't fit. That's when you end up having 3-4 bags. This is how I do it. Okay. Okay, then you roll it up nicely. A tiny sausage. Okay. Place it in the bag for the tops. Same thing, you roll it up. Place it in the bag. For me, my hat, I usually like just putting it on. I like traveling with my hat on my head, just to avoid it being squashed. Excuse me. But if you want to put it in your bag, then what you need to do, make sure you can put other rolled up clothes in there, just to keep the shape. See? All in there. Then you can also place it in the bag. And one thing that I learned over time is that when you pack this bag that you're going to check in, you're going to have maybe your satchel where you have your laptop, and you're going to have your bag where you're going to have your passport and ticket for easy access, you know, pull out passport, immigration, ticket, check-in. Don't forget to take at least some undergarments, a toothbrush, maybe a thin top, and put it in your satchel. Many a time, these bags have delayed. You get to your destination, your bag doesn't come out. They tell you, oh, this happened, or oh, the bag was left in this town. It'll come tomorrow. It'll be like this, and you're just stuck. You've got nothing. So make sure you take at least a toothbrush, a towel, a little some top with you. If that happens, then you know at least you're sorted for at least a night. That's one thing. But otherwise, roll everything up into a sausage, put in the bag, and girl, you're good to go.